What's going on, guys? Brandon here with TMG, and in today's episode of Will It Fit, we're going to try to get 9 St. Louis style racks of ribs in the dumpster.
I don't think I'm going to do much work today. It's Halloween.
It is Halloween.
Yeah.
Damn. That's delicious, boys. We've had it fired up for a little while, so we're going to throw them on here in a minute. I did use the Gulf Coast, that base, basically a salt, pepper, garlic rub, and then sprinkle a little black pepper across the top of them. They look pretty good, so let's throw them on and see if it'll fit.
The Rib Man.
The Rib Man. Oh, I don't know if that'll fit. Maybe this right here. Yeah. So we ended up getting 7 on the top rack. We got 2 on the bottom rack, so obviously I'm going to pay a little bit of attention to this. Here's the fire we're running this morning. Like I said, I really struggled with wet wood. It's rained for 2 days straight here. It never fails. Seems like the day before we're going to cook, it's going to rain. So finally got the fire lit. I actually do have at least 1 stick right here I'm trying to dry out because this stuff's barely wanting to burn. So what I did is it built a little bit too big of a fire once I got it burning after the struggle this morning. And so at this point, I just kind of push it all out to the edges. We're going to try that. Obviously, your smokestack's in the center, so I'm thinking push it out to the edges, let it pull the smoke to the center. Going to run 250, 275 on these, and we'll see how quick they get done. Hey guys, it's 1 o'clock now. We threw the ribs on at 9:30, so 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, so 3.5 hours. Been running a little bit hotter than I usually do, so like 275, 300, bouncing in there. We have dropped down 250 at times. But I just opened them up, check them, so obviously this gauge is a little bit off right now, but you guys can come on in and see what we got going on. So looking pretty dang good. It's probably about to pull these off. We may sauce them. Should we sauce them, Hayes?
Let's sauce half. I like them not.
You like them not sauce? I think that's kind of like half our guys like it not, so we'll take half of them. Oh yeah, you guys should see this too. So let me pull this out. Where did that? So we did rotate these ribs around. So the first ones were on here for about an hour and 15 minutes, and we put them up here and just kind of rotate them because obviously it's gonna be a little bit hotter closer to the fire. So we did that. Been throwing a little bit of wood on to dry it out since we've been dealing with some wet wood. Like I said, we're about to pull them off. We'll go in, do a little taste test, and see if they come out.
Nice, boy. Woo, buddy.
Finishing the guys some ribs today, and we ended up getting, I think, 9 racks of ribs in the dumpster. Probably could have got 12 to 14 racks. That was just kind of the test today to see if it would fit. And we basically rotated the ribs from the bottom rack to top rack, but really wasn't that big a deal. Took 3.5 hours, so the workplace ribs did come out pretty good.
I mean, I've been gone all day and missed them.
I mean, really, you really did. You haven't been up here at all. But you walked in just now with a bottle of, what, rye whiskey?
Spent the weekend with our good customer, Kyle Walker, and his crew with, Kentucky Mash Boys. And they hand-picked a barrel from New Riff. And it is extremely tasty rye whiskey that we've got to try a little bit before we continue with that.
So about the Mash Boys here, they were some of our first customers. They actually have the original Heritage 36 and the original Fridge 36. So Kyle Walker up there and those boys, they're big into bourbon and whiskey.
They buy a barrel a year.
A barrel a year, hey. So we were lucky enough to get that. And we also use some of the Tommy's barbecue sauce here. Stuff is delicious, no doubt. So we did base this one in that.
It'll stop you from making sauce.
It will. Yeah, I love my own homemade sauce, but this stuff right here is delicious. I mean, it really is. So, let's see what we got here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that is good.
That's good.
The last time he brought us a bottle, Hayes,
that's good.
We opened it, and we actually went down to see Pickle at the food truck park, and I finished that bottle down there. I think it's the only time I've opened a bottle and went start to finish. Didn't you finish one this weekend, the Kentucky Tennessee
Pretty close. Game? Me and some girls listened to some Pitbull.
That's that video? Maybe I can get a hold of that video and put that video up. How about that? Mm-hmm. Right?
It's good stuff.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Put that up. Like, me and Hayes are going to be, it's Halloween too. I don't know when I'm going to put this video up, but it's Halloween today. We don't put that up. We're not making it trick-or-treating with the kids. I promise you that. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slice these up. And then we're gonna try to come back and give it a little taste test. You know, Rob, ain't a bad day on, was it Tuesday? Halloween.
Workplace ribs.
Little whiskey, workplace ribs. Those are good. Damn.
3 hours?
3.5 hours.
Yeah.
That is delicious. I mean, I don't know if you can zoom in on that, but.
Yeah, that's good.
So this is actually the first time I've actually done direct fire ribs by myself. I've done some with some other guys. I was really worried with how my fire management being that the wood was wet, but for 3.5 hours.
You get a different taste because you get a little of that little char on the bottom. I like. More of a combination. Got the smokiness, but then you got a little of that direct heat. That's good.
I mean, delicious.
You don't have to spend 6 hours doing this.
I was really worried about this, but the guys loved them earlier. Our friend Jay Summers was here. He said some of the best he's had.
Look, I mean,
That is.
you kept the membrane on?
I took the membrane off.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, that's just a little bit char from that direct fire underneath. Get it
That's
crispy.
good.
Yeah. Damn, that's good.
Yeah, I got no problem with this.
Yeah. If you don't like that, there's something wrong.
These ain't ribs to compete. These are ribs to eat.
Huh? You won't be for very long. Not once you have this. It's funny, my daughter doesn't eat ribs. She did the other day when we cooked them. But these are good.
What's the jalapeno there, Rob?
The second one.
Jalapeno.
What is it, honey?
I don't know where those came from. They got my name on them. I mean,
They really say Rob, organic.
you got another Rob?
Organic local honey.
That's Rob's nickname.
No, yeah. Organic local honey. That's me. I don't think I'm gonna do much work today. It's Halloween.
It is Halloween.
Yeah.
Damn. That's delicious, boys.
What's tomorrow? Hot
Work?
fast, hot fast chicken. I mean, what are we gonna do?
The 4 hours.
Yeah. Can we do 45-minute chicken? I mean,
You think we can get a brisket done in 4 hours? And it'd be good? I don't know.
I think what this whole thing is say if you don't have all day long on your offset, or you don't even have it, and you don't want to fool with it, you can cook this in 3.5 hours and have something that's really, really, really good.
I mean, the workplace ribs are delicious.
The texture reminds me of like the Memphis pit ribs. You know what I'm talking about, Mark? Like our
Alabama style.
Alabama style.
I'm not sure about that, but
Like over the
He don't like it.
He doesn't know it.
no, I've never had it like that. So
They don't really smoke rib. It's more of it's a direct pit.
Like
And they're flipping them and flipping them, moving them to a cold side and bringing them back to the hot, which is what you're doing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Those are good.
real good.
Good job, Brandon. I tell you what, boys,
Hey, I'm proud of that one.
Lawson turned into a little bit of pit master. We might not be able to make fun of him anymore.
Oh, you can definitely still like
Hey,
Yeah.
making the best pits in the world can make up for a lot of deficiencies.
Hey,
No.
I don't know too many guys.
No.
Hey, listen, I don't know too many guys that build pits that also can cook.
No.
So I think Lawson may be stepping into a little bit of hallowed ground. There's a lot of pit builders out there, but I never see them making food.
No.
I never see them making food.
I'll tell you this though.
They're getting fat somehow.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this though. The reason why though is it's so hard for us to do food.
Yeah.
Because it takes so much time, it takes so much effort, and we have to work. I have to take cell phone calls and and work calls, and so it's hard to do this. So I can see that's why most guys wouldn't do it. I also don't claim to be a pit master or a great cook. I can tell everyone I'm just a redneck from East Tennessee.
When do you not claim that?
I know how to manage a fire.
When do you not claim that you're the pit master?
Well, I'm just saying I know how to
Been
manage
hearing
a
that
fire.
for years, haven't we, guys? Yeah.
Okay.
Best barbecue in Knoxville.
Exactly. Yeah. Since my granddad. Yeah, I hear you.
I know how to manage a fire. And if I take a pit, I don't care whose pit it is, and it's not running just right, I'm willing to change the way I manage a fire to accomplish the results we want.
Yeah.
And that's a little different. I'm not dead set on it has to be done this way. That's why I running this pit
Hayes
today.
hadn't done it yet.
Well, it's because running this pit today, it's completely different than what I'm used to, right? So I had to kind of learn a different way of doing it.
You know, something cool about this too, with that smoker heading into winter, is you could actually probably cook on it until they hit 160, tuck them and throw them in the oven, and like be done in maybe 2.5 hours if you want. I mean, if you wanted to do
Yeah.
something like that, like it's That cooker's so versatile that you can't.
Will you hand me some napkins?
They had tons of smoke on them.
They're on this table we built right here, Rob.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I've been wanting a folding table, guys.
Listen, let's go and wrap it up. $300 outlet.
Okay. Well, guys, good test today. Ribs came out great. Like I said,
Tomorrow's Wing Wednesday. We're going to do 30-minute wings. And can't wait to have y'all back.
let's do it.